Lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is a network of delicate tubes throughout the body. It drains fluid, called lymph, that has leaked from the blood vessels into the tissues and empties it back into the bloodstream via the lymph nodes. The main roles of the lymphatic system include managing the fluid levels in the body, reacting to bacteria, dealing with cancer cells, dealing with cell products that otherwise would result in disease or disorders, absorbing some of the fats in our diet from the intestine. The lymphatic system and fluid balance. The blood in our blood vessels is under constant pressure. We need that to push nutrients, food the cells need, fluids and some cells into the body's tissues to supply those tissues with food, oxygen and defense. All of the fluids and its contents that leak out into the tissues, as well as waste products formed in the tissues, and bacteria that enter them through our skin, are removed from them by the lymphatic system. When the lymphatic system does not drain fluids from the tissues properly, the tissues swell, appearing puffy and uncomfortable. If the swelling only lasts for a short period, it is called edema. If it lasts longer, more than about 3 months, it is called lymphedema. Lymphatic vessels. The smaller lymphatic vessels, which take up the fluids, are called lymph capillaries. The larger lymphatic vessels have muscles in their walls which helps them gently and slowly pulsate. These larger lymphatic vessels also have valves that stop the lymph flowing back the wrong way. Lymph vessels take the lymph back to the lymph nodes. There are about 700 of these in total. The fluid that arrives in the lymph nodes is checked and filtered. Spleen. The spleen is located in the abdominal, tummy, area on the left side, just under the diaphragm. It is the largest of our lymphatic organs. The spleen does many things as it filters and monitors our blood. It contains a range of cells, including macrophages, the body's garbage trucks. It also produces and stores many cells, including a range of white blood cells, all of which are important for our body's defense. Thymus. The thymus is inside the ribcage, just behind the breastbone. It filters and monitors our blood content. It produces cells called T lymphocytes which circulate around the body. These cells are important for cell-mediated response to an immune challenge, such as may occur when we have an infection. Lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are filters. They are found at various points around the body, including the throat, armpits, chest, abdomen and groin. Generally they are in chains or groups. All are embedded in fatty tissue and lie close to veins and arteries. Lymph nodes have a wide range of functions but are generally associated with body defense. Bacteria, or their products, picked up from the tissues by cells called macrophages, or those that flow into the lymph, are forced to percolate through the lymph nodes. There, white blood cells called lymphocytes can attack and kill the bacteria. Viruses and cancer cells are also trapped and destroyed in the lymph nodes. More lymphocytes are produced when you have an infection. That is why your lymph nodes tend to swell when you have an infection. Thanks for watching. For more videos please visit my channel.